Okay, just received the new Ring smart lighting products. These were originally announced at CES in 2019 in January. They were actually delayed a couple times, but now looks like they're finally starting to ship. So, ordered on Amazon and they actually arrived today. So, what we have here is the Ring smart lighting path light. We have the motion sensor and then also the Ring bridge. So what I wanted to do is just kind of do an open boxing for each of these, see what comes with it and what doesn't, and go from there. So first up, we have the Ring bridge. This is something that you need to actually connect all of the smart lights or smart lighting and the motion sensors to your Ring account, which then also allows you to then connect and automate different things with your Ring cameras in terms of being able to record or be able to actually set off other lights and group them. So this is kind of the hub that you need before you actually connect all the other Ring smart lighting products. So let's just go ahead and open this and kind of see what you get with the package. Okay, so again, the Ring bridge itself, if we look at it here, basically this has a micro USB port, and then it looks like some kind of reset button, and then also you have the configuration lights, so whether it's connected to Wi-Fi, and then I'm assuming the actual sensors for the lights. Also with the package are tools. So it comes in the tools package. Looks like you have some kind of mounting hardware if you chose to mount it a different place. You have a plug-in and then the actual USB, micro USB connector to power it. So we have those items there. So next up, we have the motion sensor. So this isn't necessarily a light. Ring also makes a motion sensor, basically a step light that you can install on steps or other places around your home. But this is just solely a motion sensor. It's not anything to do with the lighting aspect of it, but it's meant to be more for something you can install and then have this kick off other lights around your house, basically. So if you look at this, one nice thing, I guess, they give you the Ring sticker if you choose to install that or put that around the house. The motion sensor itself, you can see it can connect to a wall, but does stick off the wall a little bit, so it can't really be flush. And then also the different tools that come with the product. So, in terms of the tools, looks like, again, mounting hardware. So we have the screwdriver, we have the screws, and then the orange screwdriver that comes with every Ring product. So if you are a lover of Ring products, you probably have about 40 of these things. Looking at the Ring sensor itself, again, like I said, you can mount it. It does look like it swivels, so you can point it in different directions. One thing that's kind of nice is that to actually install it, you can just click it off of the back of the sensor, and then this is where you would actually drill into the wall and then place the sensor on that. So again, that's the Ring motion sensor. Last but not least, we have the path light. Again, there's additional products that Ring is shipping now for the lighting. They also have a different kind of spotlight and also a floodlight that are battery run. This one here I'm actually kind of very interested in just because we can do path lights along our walkway or our driveway. And again, all of these are motion censored. So what's nice is the fact that if I install this, closer to the front of my yard, it will detect motion, it'll turn on the light, but then you can also set rules in terms of saying, hey, if you did see something in the driveway, go ahead and then start recording from one of your Ring cameras. So basically you're kind of extending the motion sensing of your Ring products, which is nice. So just to kind of unbox this guy. Okay. And there we have the Ring path light. It's actually quite large. So it comes with a stake that you would put in the ground, and then the actual path light itself, if I can get in the camera view. So again, this thing is pretty large compared to other lighting that you might have seen, for path lighting. To install, you can actually see the motion sensor that's on here. Again, all of these lighting products do run on batteries. For this one, you actually would install 4 D batteries. You just put them in and then click this on, and then actually you would connect it to your bridge once you have that set up. So one thing to note about all of these products, whether it's the motion sensor or the path light, spotlight, all of their products, they all require batteries. So if you are going to buy a lot of these, you're going to need a lot of batteries. These path lights require 4D batteries. I believe their floodlights also require 4Ds. The motion sensor is, I think, the AAA, so 4 AAAs, and then also the motion, or so I'd say the step lights, so similar to this but with a light. Those require, I believe, 2 or 3 C batteries. So that's one thing to keep in mind in terms of getting all of these different wireless products, is that you are going to go through a ton of batteries. So anyways, I just wanted to kind of unbox these and just quickly go through, what they look like and, how big they are, and just kind of go over an overview. So next I will actually go through and try to set some of these up on the Ring app and go from there. Thanks.